What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be reviewing what I believe is the absolute best investment calculator on the internet. If you're sick and tired of having to plug it into Excel or Google Sheets all the time, that is perfectly fine. There is an amazing web browser that you could go to. They'll do all that information for you. But before we get to that, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. All right. So now we're gonna dive onto the computer. So you can see right here, here's Google, right? If you go up to the browser and if you type in investment calculator, it's gonna be the very first one. It's www.calculator.net. The link is in the description. You can click on that and check it out yourself. So if we click on it, this is what it brings you to, okay? So this is calculator.net, and let's just walk you through it really quick. So the top part right here, this is where you plug in your information. Your starting amount, your after, your rate of return, and your contributions. You can select month or year, and then you hit calculate. When you hit calculate, you will get your results. So here's your results in numerical. Here's your results in a graph, and then here's your results in a nice little pie chart. And if we scroll down, there's an annual schedule. I think this is really cool because it will show you your starting principal, start balance, interest, end balance, and end principal. So you can see each year. We went from 33 to 47 to 63. It's just a really nice breakdown of everything. So let's mess around with some of these numbers. Let's pretend starting balance is, I don't know, how about $1,000, okay? And we're over the course of 25 years, our rate of return, say it's the S&P 500. 11%, and our additional contribution is $1,000 a month. We hit calculate. Here we go. Here's how much money we'll end up having. 1.4 million. And you can see right here it has the breakdown of each year. So you can see at what year am I reaching $250,000. Okay, it looks like around year 11 I'll be reaching just about $250,000. What about $500,000? Let's see. Right about here, year 16, in between 16 and 17, I should reach $500,000. What about $1 million? 22. So this is, I think this is really helpful, this entire breakdown as well. But there's more to this application or more to this web browser than just getting your end result. So here's your end amount. If we go to additional contribution, this could show you how much money we need to contribute each month to reach that $1 million. So let's say after 25 years, okay, we need to contribute $648 a month if we are expected to get 11% return. What if it's on the more conservative side, say 8%? Okay, if it's 8%, then we're gonna need to invest at least $1,000 a month. What if it's over the course of 20 years? Okay, $1,700. So you can mess around with all of these numbers to really figure out exactly what you're doing, what your goal should be, what you can reach, how much money you need to invest. You got your rate of return as well. So you can see if your target is $1 million, your starting amount is $1,000. After 20 years, if you could contribute $1,000 a month, what rate of return do you need? 12.68%. That's a little high. That might be difficult. So what if we invest $1,500 a month? Okay, 9.3%, that's a little bit more reasonable. So then we know if we want to reach that $1 million, and if we're expected to get a 9.3%, or if I really should say it the other way around, if we're looking to get $1 million and we can invest $1,500 a month over 20 years, we need to find an investment that will give us 9.34%. Of course, then we have starting amount, which is just, it is what it says. It's starting amount. This will show you how much money you need to start with. Then you got your investment length, and it'll show you exactly how long until you reach your goal with these set parameters. And then the very last thing is you have year. You can do monthly or yearly. I don't know why anyone would do yearly, because I doubt you're just dropping a bunch of money in each year. You're probably doing it once a month. But that is calculator.net. You can find it on the internet completely free, and I mean very minimal ads as well. You're not going to be blasted with a bunch of ads on it. So it is a great program to use. I use it all the time. You've probably seen me use it in several videos before, And the reason why I'm making this video is I had someone comment, what is that website that you're using? So I figured, hey, let me make a video for it. But the only downside to it is there's no application on it, at least not on the Play Store. I have Android, not Apple, and there's no application for it. I don't know if there's anything on the App Store, but I've checked, I couldn't find anything. But hey, if you plug it into your phone, like if you go to the internet and plug it in, the web browser on the phone, it's mobile friendly, so at least you have that. But that's the only downside. I wish there was an application. Other than that, absolutely amazing tool. I use it all the time. So there you have it. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave comments if you have any, tell me what tools do you use and what investment calculators do you use that you think are better. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.